everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 95, talking about minimalism. I'm Lily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Ben. Hello, friends. Lily, let me ask you something right away. Look around your room right now. Do you see a lot of things? Clothes on the chair, books on the table, old cups? Sometimes I look at my desk and think, wow, I really have too much stuff.
Oh, yes, Ben. My closet is the same. I open it and see dresses, jackets, scarves, many things I haven't worn for months. It makes me feel a little stressed and tired. That's exactly why minimalism caught my attention. It's a simple idea. Live with less, but feel happier.
Yes, minimalism is not about having nothing. It's about having only what you really need and what brings you joy. And today, we want to talk about it slowly, clearly, with easy English, perfect for beginners, so you can listen, understand, repeat, and maybe even try minimalism yourself.
Great plan. Let's start from the beginning. Ben, can you explain what minimalism is in very simple words?
Of course, minimalism is a lifestyle. You decide to keep only the things that are useful or that make you happy. Everything else, you let it go. You stop buying things just because they are cheap or pretty. You ask yourself, do I need this? Do I love this?
I love that question. For example, imagine your kitchen. Do you need 10 different cups? Or maybe just 2 or 3 favorite ones are enough? In your bedroom, do you need 20 pairs of shoes? Or maybe 5 comfortable ones?
Exactly. And important point, minimalism is not about being poor or sad. Many minimalists have good jobs, travel, enjoy life. They just choose quality instead of quantity. One good jacket instead of 10 okay jackets.
Yes, and there is a very famous woman who helped make minimalism popular. Her name is Marie Kondo.
Right, Marie Kondo is from Japan. She wrote a book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. In her book, she teaches a special way to clean your house. The most famous question she asks is, does this spark joy?
Spark joy. What a beautiful phrase. It means, does this thing make you feel happy when you hold it? If yes, keep it. If no, thank it and say goodbye.
I tried her method. It really works. When I hold something and feel nothing, I understand I don't need it.
Me too. Last month, I did my wardrobe with her method. I took every piece of clothing, held it, and asked, does this spark joy? Many things said no. I put them in bags and gave them to friends and to a charity shop. Now, when I open my closet, I smile. Everything there I like.
That's wonderful, Lily. And how do you feel after that?
Lighter, calmer. In the morning, it's easier to choose what to wear. No more, I have nothing to wear feeling, even though I have fewer clothes now.
Same here. I had maybe 30 t-shirts. Crazy, right? Now I have 8, but I wear them all and they all look good on me. I feel free.
Free, that's a perfect word. So, listeners, let's think together. What are the benefits of minimalism? Why do people choose this way?
First benefit, you save money. When you stop buying things you don't need, your wallet stays happier.
Second, you save time. Less stuff equals less cleaning, less searching for things, more time for walking, reading, talking with friends, learning English.
Third, less stress. A clean, simple room helps your mind feel calm. Scientists say that too many things around us make our brain tired.
Fourth, good for our planet. When we buy less, factories make less. There is less plastic, less garbage. Small choice, big help for Earth.
And fifth, more focus on what really matters. Experiences, people, health, dreams, not more shopping bags.
Beautiful. Okay, now the most important part for beginners, how to start. It can feel scary at first. What if I throw something away and then need it?
Don't worry, we start small and slow. No need to do everything in one day.
Step number 1, choose one small area. For example, one drawer or one shelf or the top of your desk.
Take everything out. Yes, everything. Put it on the bed or on the floor.
Step number 2, touch each thing and ask 2 simple questions. Do I use this often, and do I love this?
If the answer is no to both, put it in a goodbye box. You can give it away, sell it, or donate it later.
Step number 3, after you finish one small area, wait a few days, see how you feel. Usually, people feel good and want to continue.
Step number 4, be careful with new things. Before you buy something, wait 24 hours or even a week. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it spark joy for a long time?
Good rule. Many people use the 30-day list. You write down things you want to buy. After 30 days, you check the list again. Very often, you realize, actually, I don't want it anymore.
Smart. Another tip is when you get a new thing, use the one in, one out rule. Buy one new t-shirt, give away one old t-shirt.
I like that rule. Balance.
Now, let's talk about different areas of life where minimalism helps.
Good idea. First, clothes. We already talked a little. Capsule wardrobe is popular. It means a small number of clothes that all match each other.
Yes, for example, black jeans, white t-shirt, gray sweater, blue jacket. You can make many outfits with few items.
In the kitchen, minimalism means simple tools. Do you need an electric can opener, a special egg cooker, 10 different knives? Maybe just a good knife, a pot, a pan, and a cutting board.
In food, too. Buy fresh ingredients, cook simple meals, less processed food in colorful packages.
Digital minimalism is very important today. Our phones have so many apps, notifications, photos.
I did it. I deleted games I never play. I removed social media apps from my phone. Now I use them only on computer sometimes.
I turned off almost all notifications. Now my phone doesn't scream at me every minute. I decide when to check messages.
Big change. More peace.
What about travel? Minimalism makes travel so much easier.
Yes, pack light. One small backpack or small suitcase. Only essentials. Comfortable clothes, one pair of shoes, charger, toothbrush, small towel.
You move faster, no stress at the airport, and you enjoy the trip more because you think about views, food, people, not about heavy bags.
Souvenirs. Instead of buying magnets or t-shirts, take photos or write in your journal. Memories stay forever, things can break or get lost.
True. Now let's talk about money and minimalism.
Many minimalists follow the no-spend months. For example, in January, they don't buy anything except food, rent, transport.
It helps see how much money you really need, and you find free joys, library, parks, home workouts, cooking together.
Another idea is to buy used things when possible. Secondhand shops, online marketplaces, good quality for less money.
And think about quality over quantity. One expensive, beautiful, long-lasting item instead of 5 cheap ones that break soon.
Now, famous people who live simply.
Steve Jobs, he always wore the same black turtleneck and blue jeans. He said it saved time and energy for important decisions.
Joshua Fields Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus have a podcast and YouTube channel called The Minimalists. They help millions of people.
Fumio Sasaki, Japanese man who wrote a book called Goodbye Things, he lives with almost nothing and says he's happier than ever.
And of course, many people in history. Diogenes, the philosopher, lived in a barrel. Extreme, but shows the idea.
Okay, fun game time. If your house was on fire and you could save only 3 things, what would you take? Besides people and pets, of course.
Easy for me. My guitar, because music makes me happy. My passport, because I love to travel. And my favorite photo album with family pictures.
Nice choices. For me, my journal, where I write thoughts and dreams, my comfortable walking shoes, and my little cactus. It's so easy to care for, and it reminds me to grow slowly.
That's lovely. Plants are perfect for minimalism. They give life and oxygen, but don't take much time or space.
Yes. Now, listeners, pause for a second. Think, if you could keep only 3 things, what would they be? Write it down or say it out loud. It helps you understand what is really important to you.
Good exercise.
One more thing before we finish. Sometimes people are afraid, what if I give something away and regret it later?
Normal feeling. That's why many people use the maybe box. You put doubtful things there. Close the box. After 3 to 6 months, if you never opened it, you can give those things away.
Perfect safety net.
And remember, minimalism is not rules. It's your personal way. Some people have 100 books because they love reading. Some have 10 because they use library. Both can be minimalism if it feels good.
Yes, be kind to yourself. It's a journey, small steps every week.
So let's make a quick review of everything we talked about today.
Minimalism is living with less stuff, but more joy, time, calm, and freedom.
Benefits: save money, save time, less stress, help the planet, focus on important things.
How to start? Begin with one small area. Ask, do I use it? Do I love it? Give away what you don't need.
Areas: clothes, kitchen, digital life, travel, money, relationships, quality over quantity.
Famous phrase, less is more. And Marie Kondo's question, does it spark joy?
You can practice English right now.
Repeat after us. Less is more. This sparks joy. I don't need more things. I choose simple life.
Wonderful. Dear listeners, thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope you feel inspired.
Try one small thing this week. Maybe clean one drawer, or make a 30-day want list, or just say no to one unnecessary purchase.
Share in the comments, what was your favorite idea today? Or what will you try first?
Practice English every day. Listen to podcasts, repeat sentences, speak out loud. You are doing great.
We believe in you. Keep going.
Thanks for listening to episode 95 of Think in English, the podcast.
See you in the next episode. Take care and stay positive.
Bye-bye.
Bye.